tea. Oh my gosh, don't you guys miss me drinking coffee? Because I miss drinking coffee on camera. Hello, what's up guys? It's your girl Cassidy. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a makeup tutorial that was actually requested because I wore this look when I had an event. It was like an event where you guys were all invited. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram because I literally do everything like on Instagram. Instagram is my life. If you guys are wondering like if I'm ever having a meet and greet or if I'm ever going to a certain event that's like maybe open to the public, you guys come through, chill with me, you know, in the New York area, of course, unless I'm traveling. Wow, blah, 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 blah. The coffee's kicking in. So yes, at this event that I went to, I wore this makeup look and I got so many DMs from you guys. You guys were like, give me a tutorial. And I was like, okay. I use this baby right here, which I love so much. It's the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And if you guys don't have it, get it because you need it and it's amazing. It's such a gorgeous palette, like bam, bam. It's super good for traveling, neutral looks, colorful looks, whatever you want. I love this eyeshadow palette. But for today's look, I focused on like these three main colors right here, which are more like bluish, green, gemstone kind of colors. And this was a look that I created for that day. You guys loved it so much, so I decided to recreate it and do a tutorial. Before we get into the tutorial, as always, please don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It takes 1 second, just click it. That's it, like that's literally all it takes, and that's it. And while you're down there, you might as well do another little and subscribe. Join the family, join the fun, join life, more life, positivity, greatness, love. Anything great that you could ever want in your life is here on this channel. So subscribe. And now that you're done with all that fun stuff, we can go ahead and just get right into the video. I'm starting out with my eyes. I have already primed with MAC's Painterly Paint Pot, and I filled in my eyebrows with Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. So for this whole look, I'm using this palette right here, which I have fallen in love with. I feel like it's such a good palette. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and if you guys haven't gotten it, I really feel like this is one palette that you should invest your money in if you're into makeup, because it's like the perfect palette that is for someone who always wears neutrals but wants to play with color a little bit, because I feel like all of the colors here are like safe colors. Like they're still colorful. It's definitely a more colorful palette and less neutral, but it's more like on the comfortable side of colors, like, you know, with your cranberries, your oranges, and it has like some blues over here. So I'm gonna be working with this corner right here because that day of the event, that's the look that I wore. First, going in with this shade Riff, and I'm just gonna use that as a transition color. It's like a nice warm brown shade that is just perfect for the crease. And I'm not gonna bring that up too high. I just want something in the crease to kind of like help with the blending later on. So nothing too dark. I literally just like pop that right in there and that's it. So this look is actually a lot easier than I feel like it looks. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and I'm picking up the shade Radio, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner. This is like a midnight blue kind of color. So I'm just gonna darken the outer corner with that. Look how pretty that is. Like, it just reminds me of a gem or a crystal or something. And I'm not bringing it too much into the crease. I'm literally just keeping it on that outer corner of the lid. I don't want to bring it too high because I know I'm going to go back and blend it out, which is already going to bring it like higher into the crease. Like, how pretty is that? Taking a smaller blending brush, I'm just going to go around the edges. And I'm probably going to do this a few times. Like anytime I do makeup, I have to pack the color on and then go back and blend just so that it makes the process of blending easier and I get the intensity that I want as well. So I kind of just go back and blend. I was gonna pack more color on, but I'm just gonna focus on the lid color now, which is this gorgeous shade right here. It's called Big Sky, and it is just like, I don't even know how to explain this color. It's just like a beautiful bluish green color, and I'm just gonna pack that all over my entire lid. Like, look, oh my God, it's so beautiful. it so much. Then going back with the blending brush, just swinging that back and forth to take away any harsh edges. Trying not to bring it too high because I don't want the blue color like all the way up to my brow, you know? So I kind of wanted this look to be a little bit more green and not so like blue, like ocean blue. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Wanderlust, and it's like a very pretty gemstone green color. I'm just taking it on the same brush, and I'm gonna put that over the outer corner just so I can have a little bit more of those green tones and not so much blue, just because, I don't know, that's the vibe I'm feeling right now. And I'm gonna bring that onto the lid a little bit, just pack that so that way it blends into that lid color. Yeah, I definitely like how that looks a lot better than this. And then going back in with the Big Sky color that's on my lid, just to kind of intensify that a little bit more. Make sure it's nice and poppin'. I'm just gonna do one last blend with a little bit of a smaller angled blending brush just to really just keep it in that crease and not move the color around too much. Just like that. Amazing. Okay, so as you can see, this is a mess. And that is why I do not do my face makeup before doing my eyeshadow, because when I'm blending, I just like to blend, honey. Like I don't like to have to worry about being careful with like getting my eyeshadow on my foundation or like brushing things away. I just like to not have my face makeup done and then be able to clean up afterwards as freely as I want. Now I can begin doing my makeup. I have been loving this Sephora 10-Hour Wear Perfection foundation. It's so good. I did a video on my Instagram using this foundation and I've been wearing it so much. I'm just absolutely obsessed with it, and I'm in the shade Light Natural Beige. It's number 23. I would usually use a primer, but I don't know why, guys. Like, I have not been into primers at all lately. Like, I just haven't been feeling them. I don't know why. I am blending that out with a beauty blender. I'm probably gonna need another layer just for a little bit more coverage. But the beauty blender always gives me like lighter coverage. When I put this foundation on with a brush, I literally only need one layer and it's like the coverage is bomb. Does anyone else's arm ever get tired when they're blending out their foundation? Like sometimes I'll be like patting so much and then I'm like, my arm is tired. I like using this brush with this foundation actually. Like, I'm kind of realizing that. The Beauty Blender took away so much coverage from this foundation. So I use this Sephora 202 brush. It's a double-ended brush. It has a concealer end on this side, and then the multitask brush that I use for my face. It just, wow, it like literally keeps so much more coverage. Cover up them pimples, girl. Okay, for concealer, you guys know I'm using my all-time favorite concealer, the Naked Skin Weightless Concealer. I am in this shade Light Warm in this, and I just go ahead, put that under my eyes, nose, chin, forehead. Blending that out with my beauty blender. Concealer's blended in. I'm taking my RCMA No Color Powder, putting that on my bronzer, and I am going to set my under eyes with that. I'm gonna do a little baking. Then I take my EcoTools multitasking powder brush and I just press the powder into my skin while sort of like wiping it away. And I know I look very scarily pale right now, but I promise it's gonna all come together. Okay, let's bring some color back into my face because I'm scaring myself. I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics satin bronzer in Totally Tan. Guys, I don't know if this was limited edition because I went on the website and I could not find it. And I'm so scared because this is literally my favorite bronzer ever. Like, I've tried to switch up bronzers and like no bronzer compares to this one. It's seriously my favorite and it's so cheap. It's ridiculous. It's amazing. Going in with a CoverGirl blush that I'm so obsessed with. This is the Peach Punch blush. They came out with like some peach products and some chocolate products and I am obsessed with this blush. It's so cute. If you look at it in the pan, it has like little tiny sparkles, but it's mostly matte when it goes onto the skin. And it's just like a really pretty peachy color and it smells just like peaches, which is so freaking good. It's amazing. For highlights, I'm using Pixie's Subtle Sunrise Duo. I take this one, the more champagne looking one. This one is a little bit more of a pink tone. So I take the more champagne one and I'm just gonna pop that on the tops of my cheeks. I almost never do my face makeup on camera, so, and I know a lot of you wonder like, how the heck, what's your process? Like, what do you do for your skin? I figured in my makeup tutorials, I'm not gonna skip my face anymore. I'm just gonna like include everything in there. So let me know what you guys think. If you want me to keep this footage in here or if you just want me to skip it and only do the eyes, just let me know. I am still working on picking a winner for my giveaway in my last video. So if you guys, oh, I'm just taking the blush brush with no product and kind of like blending the blush into the highlight so it doesn't just look like a streak of highlight on my face. So I am still picking the winners of my last giveaway video. I did the unboxing, so I'm still waiting a couple more days to pick the winners, but once I do, I will DM whoever commented or email whichever contact you put and I'm gonna holla at you, okay? I will be announcing on my Instagram who's the winner as well. So if you guys wanna just like check in on there, make sure you're following me. I'm gonna just finish off my lips now because I feel like my lips look weird. So I am taking Urban Decay's lip liner in the shade Broken. It's just a nice neutral shade. Like a mauvey pink. I used 3 things on my lips today. So next I'm taking Tarte Color Splash lipstick in the shade Pink Lemonade. And I'm not putting this on directly because this looks a little bit too like bubblegum pink. So I'm just gonna like pat it on there. You could use concealer for this step also if you want a little bit more of a neutral look. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm taking a little bit of concealer. That way I can really have like a nice neutral look paired with this blue eye. This is a trick that I've been loving lately. So I take a little bit, just like literally the tiniest bit on my ring finger, just like that. And I kind of just pat it in the center of my lips. And it just really gives you like that neutral nude lip to go with any look. Like I have colorful eyeshadow on now and it's a good match. So it kind of sets up like a base for a nice neutral lip. You can stop here if you like matte lips, but you know I'm a glossy girl. So I'm taking my Laura Mercier lip gloss in the shade Opal, which I've been obsessed with so much. I literally wear this lip gloss every single day. And I just go over with that. But you can see like the concealer made it look so pretty underneath the gloss. Okay, so my face and my lips are clearly done. I'm gonna finish off the eyes and I'm taking Pixie's Eye Bright eyeliner. It's just a nude eyeliner and I'm gonna put that right on my waterline to kind of open up my eyes on this look because I don't want it to be too smoky. Then I'm taking an EcoTools Accent Shadow Brush and I love using this brush for my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna pick up this Big Sky color here, the one that I have all over my lid. And I'm gonna put that on the front half. Actually, I'm just gonna run that on the whole thing. Run that on my lower lash line as sort of a base. And then I'm taking the Wanderlust color, that's the more green shade, and I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner. Okay, amazing. Now I do have lash extensions, so all I'm gonna do is just throw some mascara on. And I know you're not supposed to put mascara on your lash extensions, but rules were meant to be broken. Wow, a bitch got lashes. Sheesh. Yes, 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 yes. So this is the completed look. I'm so obsessed. I feel like a disco bad bitch. Like, I just love it. All right, you guys, so that's it for this makeup tutorial. I wanted to bring this to you guys because when I did wear it on my Instagram, I got so many DMs and you guys were like, girl, give us the details on this look. So it is all this palette. I didn't use any other eyeshadow besides what's in here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe because you know how much it means to me from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.